This car had so many problems when I bought it, all kind of electrical issues. First the power steering pump, and now that's fixed. New reservoir, new hoses, right? New cap so she don't overheat real fast. This distributor here was for a B, or a 20B, the D series B20.
B20.
So adjustment had to be made inside of it. Because while my car was being fixed somewhere, someone stole mine and replaced it with that one. But that's all right, because I'm smarter than them. So that now is really kicking up my spark. What else is new on here? Gosh, I don't even know. I feel like I've replaced so many things.
God almighty, my brain is hot. I have weed still, honestly. But no, just look, Jamaica is a simple white lady.
So the police pulled me over again.
They want to pull you over. They never see nothing like it.
They love me.
Alright, this side people, a simple Honda EK, the D series.
I put some high performance spark plugs in it.
Yeah, here.
This car is responding to me. You know, when you have a driver who knows how to shift gears, your car should jump.
That's it.
She jumps.
That's a code.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm happy.